Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking to find whether this series converges or diverges. First of all, let's find out what series is this one. So let's put some values and check what are we getting, right? For example, if I plug 1 for this one, this is going to be cos phi. Cos phi over n power 3 over 4. So it's going to be 1 power 3 over 4 is going to be 1. And let's plug the value. So if I plug 1 cos phi, we know that cos phi is negative 1, right? So this is going to be negative 1 over 1 for the first term. The second term is going to be cos 2 phi. We know cos 2 phi is going to be positive 1. So this is going to be plus positive 1 over 2. So 2 power 3 over 4. 2 power 3 over 4. And then if we plug 2 for this one, this is going to be negative. This, if I plug 3 for this one, this is going to be again negative 1, right? So this is going to be negative 1 over 3 power 3 over 4. And as you go further, it's going negative, positive, negative, positive. So this is an alternative series. So instead of writing this way, we can write this one in different way, like n is equal to 1 to infinity, and here we can write minus 1 power n times 1 over n power 3 over 4, right? This is same as this one. This is a tricky question. If you can change this one in this way, then everything is easy, because we are going to apply alternating series test. So in order to find whether an alternative series is converging or diverging, we check two things: that if it's decreasing or the limit, and the limit is equal to 0. If it's decreasing and limit is equal to 0, then it's a convergent series. So let's check this one, but to do that we only pick this part. This is called Bn. This part is Bn. We have to check only this part. Except this negative one, everything else is going to be Bn. So we check the Bn is decreasing and the limit is equal to 0. So let's check decreasing, whether this one is decreasing. And you can see already, as this n value increase, the denominator is going to become bigger and bigger, right? So this is definitely decreasing, because we know that 1 over n plus 1 power 3 by 4 is going to be less than 1 over n power 3 by 4. So this is definitely decreasing. So this is passing the first test. So let's do the second test, that is limit test. So if I take the limit and if it's equal to 0, that's satisfying both of the tests. So let's do the test first. So limit n approaches infinity, 1 over n power 3 by 4. So if we plug the infinity for the n value, that's going to be 1 over infinity. So this is going to be 1 over infinity. We know that 1 over infinity is equal to 0. So this is passing both of the alternating series test. So this is convergent series, right? If it fails one of this test, like for example, if it's increasing, this is going to be divergent. Or if it's not equal to 0, it's going to be divergent. And that's how we find out whether a alternating series convergent or divergent. So we can go ahead and say this is a convergent series. Convergent series. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.